Okay, so for starters, we're going to replace this rubber washer here. So just run the wire behind this column next to where the touchpad goes, and then replace this washer over top. That way your wire is running in the right direction. Next, you can run your wire underneath this ribbon cable along the same path it traveled before. Make sure it's nice and next, run your wire underneath this cable and then put the wire back into its connector. Once you get to the connector, you're going to have to reinsert this cable. There you go. Once that's reinserted, run the black and white wire underneath this ribbon cable. Then reinsert the ribbon cable. Then push down the clip to tighten it. Then reinsert this cable. Now you have to reconnect this ribbon cable, this cable here, this antenna cable. Next, you want to replace the touchpad. Now you can replace the two silver screws for the touchpad. Also replace the ribbon cables for the touchpad. Okay, once you replace all three ribbon cables, now we're going to be replacing the screws for the FPC and the hard drive bracket. Oh, and of course, do not forget to reconnect the gray cable. Now you have to replace the screws. We are replacing the second screw. Now we are going to replace the FPC screws, starting with the top screw here. Then we're going to replace the screw here. Next, we're just going to replace the grid for the speaker. So you want to flip your Toughbook up like this. Make sure the speaker is in its nice port hole. Screw holes line up perfectly, covering the speaker. Once all four screws have been replaced, now we're replacing the screw for the black bracket. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. At this point, you simply need to replace your battery and your hard drive, as well as screw back on your back plate. And you've done it. You've replaced your speaker in your Panasonic Toughbook CF-30. Thanks again for tuning in here at Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff Inc. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. And if you enjoyed the video today, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, if you would like to see more repairs, demonstrations, and reviews in the near future, hey, subscribe to our channel. There should be a subscribe button located at the bottom of the video. Click on it, visit our channel. And thanks again for tuning in. Until next time, here at Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff Inc., we are the Toughbook experts.
Thanks for watching today. For more repair videos, click the link below. And remember, if you have a screwdriver, you can fix a computer.